Am I the a-hole for insinuating that my daughter is ugly? Dude, how could you not be? Maybe the story will change my mind. I'm hoping so. Let's find out. So my daughter has this friend who has all the kids in her grade falling head over heels for her. I thought it was an exaggeration, but she literally is that girl in high school. Now this friend posted a picture of the two of them on their friendship page on her birthday yesterday. Everyone was just giving dozens of compliments on the friend and said nothing about my daughter at all. I think there were only two who actually said happy birthday to my daughter. She was upset over this because she got none of the attention. So she came to me and asked me if she was pretty. At first, I thought I should give her the whole, "Of course you're so beautiful, these guys are just crazy" speech. But I couldn't see any benefit from that, so I gave it to her straight. This doesn't sound good. When I told her that she wasn't, she was taken aback. But then when I explained to her, she was a lot better. I said something along the lines of that she doesn't have the looks, but that doesn't matter. I told her that she has an amazing personality and she's just an amazing person. I also pointed out that she has the world's greatest eyes, which might be biased, but I think it's true. And that her smile is contagious, which it is. Then I mentioned that I wasn't a looker when I was a teenager, but my confidence got me places. She was a bit quiet, but she thanked me for it, and then we laughed, hugged, and I left feeling like I gave her the greatest parent speech ever. However, when I told my wife, she went mad. She says I was basically insinuating that my daughter was ugly with the classic personality matters speech. I still think I did a great job, so am I really the a-hole? This is one of those situations where I just gotta shake my head. Because although I understand that the dad was trying to be honest, this is not really the place to be 100% honest. Even if you don't think your kid is the most beautiful person in the world, you're still supposed to lift them up. You gotta be their cheerleader. So yeah, I know OP did his best, but I'm still gonna give him a 3 out of 10 on the a-hole rating because a parent is supposed to be there to help lift their child up and not tear them down because this world is already messed up enough. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments and also drop some black and rainbow emojis if you love my latest journal. And remember to stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.